This is a tech demo for a web application that I've been working on called Remind. It is not done. It is nowhere near done, but I'm confident that I will continue working on this project as it is something I plan to use. The app works as an advanced digital checklist, keeping track of habits, dailies, weeklies, monthlies, and goals. To add an item, you click the plus button on any one of these tabs, and then you type in the text box what you want your item to be. So I'm going to add an habit, and I'm going to call it eat healthy. Click on the checkbox or anywhere on the item to check off your habit. It will be grayed out, and all you have to do is click on it again for it to be back. To delete an item, you click on this black X right here. You can add as many items as you want. Up here in the top right corner, you can click this drop-down tab, and it will show the list items. If the checklist is hidden, all you have to do is type something new into here. And a list will pop up again. You can hide the add list item by clicking this plus button up here. Now, typically, when you load things up like this on a web page, if you click the refresh button, they'll disappear. But we've got something different going on here. So if you inspect and we navigate to application, you can look at local storage and the items in local storage. We've got something saved here called checklist data, which has information for dailies, goals, habits, monthlies, and weeklies. And if you look at habits here, we have added that many items. So watch dailies. Watch dailies. We add an item. What do we want to do every day? We want to eat salad for breakfast. Now, if you look down here, we've got a new daily, and it's called Eat Salad for Breakfast. Completed is false, but if we check it off, completed is true. So we can refresh, and everything remains as it was. We want make an app. And you know what? I want to do this over and over and over again. I'm just going to keep making apps. I want to make a lot of them. So if you scroll down, you'll notice that everything hides behind this border we have in the app. The application has responsive web design. It will work all the way at a small phone width, and it can stretch out to be applicable on the entire screen. Now, this application, like I said, is nowhere near done. There's still a lot we have to do to make it work properly. So what do I want to do to change this application? You'll see up here, it says username placeholder. I eventually plan to have a login page for this application. Down here, I'm sure you noticed the schedule. Eventually, I want to add a button right by the delete button, right around here, that allows you to choose when you do your habit. The reason that these are called dailies, weeklies, and monthlies are that they will eventually reset back to unchecked every day, week, or month. The last time they were checked off will be assessed when you open the app. I want to use a color scheme to show how consistent you are with the checklist item. Cyan means that you have done the item consistently. Violet means that you do it sometimes. And red means you hardly do it. Finally, at some point, I want to also make a phone app that shares data between the web app and the phone app. This is the current condition of my application. Stay posted for new updates.